Yeah, let's talk Rome.
Yeah, I farm
It's
with
up, by the
no.
way.
Alright,
If you got Q, you're a
Alright,
fucking wizard.
unmute boat, unmute boat. If you get in queue,
I
you
started with
move down and call.
180. I'm in. Let's go.
Smashing nodes.
Damn legs.
Alright, I'm giving Nick's farm lead. Alright,
Dominators that you post.
Is any of y'all close to build spot yet?
V9. Oh no, wait. V. Yeah.
Wait, right? Like or not?
So do I
I'll
buy
farm my
blue
way there. I'll farm my way there. How about that?
They just need farmers. No, they're not. Blue faces.
for large, never mind.
No, let's go to those. Hey, let's go to those now.
I need to help you, face. Yeah,
Guys, oh guy, oh god. Ask him if he's killing a guy.
I'm getting so many.
Single claw.
This
I'm
people.
trying to single claw on the ground, bro. But if I die, I'm gonna rage away. Said there's people. Yeah, I'm just gonna.
I died with shit, my game was frozen. And the guy walked in.
You guys need to come over here already. Shooting barrels at me. No.
I'm gonna drop in the box.
Yeah, live.
Guys, come here.
But tier 2. Come back in. We're gonna get tier 3 off.
Yeah, tier 3 though.
We're gonna get break this pit.
I need a.
Where are you?
I'm coming back, cover.
Who needs
Alright, back. Picked up food page.
your fits? There's cloth on the floor.
Okay, I think we can do channels now. I'm going down to building base, builders,
Alright, yeah.
and people that are farming. Come down here. If you have money, please shut up.
Yeah, let me, don't loot, let me just look at.
Keep those two.
Woo, shit. I'm gonna people with with us now.
Oh,
I have-
Zulu can.
Yo,
Oh, he's
wait.
stacking.
We need fuses.
Zulu, can you stack on this? Zulu, can you stack on this? Fine.
I'm going.
I'm a shit, bro. I just say it.
I have. Here, Zulu.
I don't have anything.
Wait, what?
Jump in.
What are you talking about?
Oh yeah, they're rated. That's why.
They're bad. It's
They're gone.
guys.
I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna be
Fuck.
pumped in the head.
I'm gonna be dead.
That's a bean guy.
Where's my 5B? Come to the first floor.
Answers are many.
I'll get a vlog.
Fits are gonna be low. I'm trying to make
Need low grade, badass.
Oh my god. I told you to bring low grade.
Rich boys.
There's some storm.
And a jackhammer and a jackhammer.
I'm one of the greatest, ain't no debating on it. I'm still levitated, I'm heavily medical.
Alright, come here. Everyone back away from the door.
For your love and I'm running
Watch
thin on
out.
patience.
Yeah, you gotta get rotated.
Hold door.
Let's go. Left foot, right
I
foot,
know, I'm going.
levitate.
I don't have a rock.
Grab belly coming.
He's at 5 kids.
To a better situation.
Cover it.
Cheese on it, get out and get your bread. Weight of the world on my shoulders, I can't handle it. Like, baby, stand up. 'Cause girl, you
Okay. Oh my god, you're fucking.
Wait, no, if that's just right there,
Where's Tommy?
Go. Calm down. Calm
Give
down.
me ammo, give me ammo, give me ammo. Give me ammo.
Can you come with me? I want to set. We have a farm base. I just want to transfer some shit over there that we can get it.
Oh damn, the builder is getting sassy. Holy shit.
Y'all quit fucking with the builder.
Oh, what the fuck?
Nothing.
That's what he stashed.
What is that?
Stash.
Seriously?
They have Scrappy, right?
Where's the
If you whip, I'm okay, I like you.
How can you say that?
Oh my god, you guys are coming.
There you go. Nothing happened the whole time he stayed.
That's me, Serena, without the flash, not for the cop.
Go, let's go. I just dropped.
They have nakeds go in the wall of the ring.
One dead.
AK.
Two dead. 100 dead.
They can't get past the turret, dude.
They literally stuck.
They literally built a raid base.
Somebody dead at breach. Dead, I'm dead.
One seal or no?
No, you can't.
No, 3.
I can't seal. Watch the bridge.
130. It's behind us. Don't base.
PM.
I couldn't even seal compound.
Hit him once. He's dead.
And you will blind fucker.
Oh, the fucking loaded.
I think there's a flaw in my code. These voices won't leave me alone. Oh my.
Drop some fucking walls. Like you're still covering the Scrappy, but make sure there's room.
They know, boys. You gotta hurry.
Hard zigzagging. Get your guys down. Make sure
Press the
you're
river,
zigzagging up.
let them pound that bitch. Pound that bitch, boy.
I'm shooting compound.
todavía, what the fuck?
Queda parado todavía, cabrón.
Ahí le dieron como 150 rockets. Mató otro.
Fuck that shit, nigga, fuck that shit.
I'm out. I'm down. Pegging.
I'm running back. Run you.
I'm out.
Keep rocking, boys. Let's go.
Right flank.
Oh, somebody just rocketed all of us.
The guy ran in front of